Hello, my name is Swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the SOG fixed blade throwing knives. That's basically a 3-piece knife set together with one sheet, so all of the 3 knives go in one sheet. First we look at the packaging. That's the big box. Fixed blade throwing knives, hard case, black finish. Includes 3 throwing knives and sheet, lifetime warranty, SOG knives and tool. We see 10-inch length, 5.3 ounces there, and behind we have some more information how that looks. Well balanced, aerodynamic design, durable 420 stainless steel. 420 would be a good choice for throwing knives, as the impact of the blade on a material, either on the point or sideways, not all the thrown knives gonna stick. That lasts pretty good if the 420 stainless steel is proper heat treated, quite good. And then we have below some more information. The blade length is 4.375 inches, the weight is 5.3 ounces, overall length is 10 inches, black finish, 420 stainless steel, Rockwell 51 to 53. That is a bit on the lower side. That means you need to resharpen the knife relative frequent if you're gonna use it as a cutting knife. The positive is that this would be perfect for beating up, also relative easy to resharpen even with a stone in a survival situation, even outdoors with whatever you find for a rock, because it's only 51 to 53. And 420 stainless steel, the sheet is ballistic nylon, field tested. Yeah, so the website is sogknives.com. Has quite a box with its plastic parts from the standpoint of the packaging material. That is a bit negative, because most of it is gonna be trash. That part had the sheet inside there, so that's quite a packaging together with the hanger. I'm just saying the environment is not appreciated to have that many pieces of boxing material. Maybe there they could do it a bit better. Now, as we're gonna have a look at the knives. Basically we have 3 knives and 1 sheet. If you want to use that as throwing knives like it is, as it is, that is good and right. The blade, as it comes out of the packaging, is not absolute 100% sharp. It looks nice, but for sure with a bit sharpening you get it way better. I did just sharpen 1 blade yet for test that out. The 420 stainless steel, again properly heat treated, is not a bad choice. We see the SOG cut out. We have 2 holes. Those holes are nice for paracord wrap. That's what I gonna do with it. And we see the blade length is pretty good, has a nice belly. The top side here is not sharpened. That could be, we have about 2 mm left here, so it would need a bit machine, to a belt grinder, to give you a start if you want to sharpen the top edge as well. They did not do that, quite likely for the reason of the law. The blade is straight. All of the 3 blades are straight. I did mainly concentrate on the other one there. We have a bit of hollow grind on the edge. Nice spine to hit it with a stick if we want to split something, a bit thicker wood. So the black finish looks pretty good too. Of course they did not stone wash it, so the corners are relative hard. If you want to use it like this as a knife, that's gonna be painful in the hand pretty soon because they did not round off anything. Behind we have China engraving, and on the knife itself there is no other laser engrave other than the China. It's just a sock that they cut it out on the handle that give it away what kind of brand it is. And the idea for me was that I get that set, currently on sale too, and then I'm gonna paracord wrap the handle basically like this Camillus knife too, and then I'm gonna do quick and easy 3 Kydex sheets for it, just something simple, basic, and then I end with 3 pretty nice, pretty good usable knives for less than $20 that it is currently on sale. And the sheet quite likely gonna be sold again. As we come to the sheet, that's a simple nylon one. The loop is big enough. You can even put some glue or stitching to make it a bit smaller, or a rivet. The design is simply the first sheet, then the second on top a bit shorter, the third on a bit shorter. So that's what it is. Pretty nice made for what it is. Looks good, and feels good also. Pretty solid. The way the knife goes in, you start first with the lowest slot. The knife goes in like that. Then with the next slot like this, the knife goes a bit further in, overlapping, and we see here the ends overlapping as well. Then we have the third blade, and then the item looks like this. We have all 3 blades in. It's overlapping, so that makes it easier to see which one is in it. The Velcro is adjustable. That needs to be that it would hold even 1 blade. So that is pretty nicely done for what it is. For that price, pretty good. I did not yet flame off the fraying on the sheet. Again, I'm not gonna keep the sheet. I just want to try out the knives. So all in all, the set is pretty nice. That knife, of course, with the 420 steel blade is not something absolute high-tech. It's not gonna outcut many modern steel, but this is more like a beater knife, like a loaner knife, something that you can have additionally, like in the tackle box in the car, some equipment, maybe even for people that do not care much about tools, so they misuse it or pry with it or something like that. So in case if it breaks or get lost or something like that, the bank is not broken, it's not that much lost. Again, currently on sale for about $20 for 3 of those knives. If you have a bit a Kydex already and you know how to make a sheet, and if you have a bit paracord of the color you like on hand, and you know a bit how to wrap a handle and all that, you end up with 3 pretty good knives for smallest money, and they are also easy replaceable. That set is currently sold in USA in many places, so it's really a good deal, and it still works pretty good. So that much about the Soak triple set of the throwing knives.